Grains mixed on Tuesday with corn and soybeans lower, wheat to the plus side. Rich Nelson is back with analysis. Okay, we continue to see the funds kind of push the sell side in corn and soybeans, Rich. And how much of that is tied to weather, crop ratings, and whatnot?
I do think that this change in the forecast here from Monday was a clear factor for us right now. Instead of dryness and heat, looks like we have a little more moisture still lined up in the short-term forecast. To note, also crop progress. Even though we did lower soybean ratings on Monday afternoon's report, these are still good numbers for corn and soybeans, and they do still imply above trend yields in the short term as well.
Well, 74% good to excellent rating on corn is a multi year high, is it not? And above last year?
It certainly is. And this, in fact, the best rating we've had for this week since 2016, which was also a year which did confirm above trend yields as far as a finish.
Does that imply that we will see this technical breakdown that we've had continue here because we've taken some support out now, haven't we?
And that's an issue for us right now. This type of yield scenario does allow just a little more downside here for this December corn contract, maybe down to that 405, 410 range.
We had chart gaps we didn't fill in November beans either. And now I think we're below 100, 200-day moving averages. Do we keep going lower there too?
In the short term, we can probably look at that. One thing which we probably will watch a little more closely on the soybean side, especially, is any new updates regarding this China and China trade discussion. Part of today's discussion was that maybe we won't have to wait until the end of September or early October for a meeting with the Chinese president. Perhaps it may be stepped up.
What about wheat? Finally saw a bounce there. Was that all short covering, do you think? Are we trying to put in a bottom finally?
I think we had a nice one-day rebound for today, at least. Looks like the Russian Ag Ministry did lower their estimates as far as Russian crop, 90 million tons previously, now 88 to 90 million tons. And they also lowered their export estimate here. So I think that's a nice one-day story. We're still a bit concerned here that a lot of the issues on the wheat balance sheet are not quite fixed up here yet.
Gotcha. Thanks so much. Rich Nelson with Allendale. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
To talk to Rich Nelson one-on-one, call 800-262-7538.